start the pitch in tune and all sound good together, but when we try to crescendo, when we try to do the Sforzando, what do you think happens to the pitch? Does it go higher or lower as we get louder? Anybody? Well, it goes out of tune and higher. Some people actually get lower depending on the instrument. So as you're getting louder, you have to make sure that the way your face goes around the saxophone stays consistent. We start to go louder, we start to squeeze our embouchure and we start to distort everything because we want to play loud. You have to keep it consistent. It's all with your ears, okay? It's not with your muscles in your face. Keep the ear going steady and don't contort your mouth as you get louder.
Right, and so that's constantly listening to yourself and the rest of the band and adjusting, including right during that Sforzando. And that's why we want to practice that Sforzando. We want to be able to go from soft, loud to soft to loud without varying the pitch and make it nice and smooth. So let's try that again, right from the top. With the groove going.
Can I be the guinea pig, Miss Lemon?
You can be a guinea pig anytime.
I was gonna have Josh demonstrate. So I'm gonna demonstrate what the Sforzando is, and you tell me if I'm gonna get out of tune or not. Okay? Because I don't know. I'm not a trombone player. I might go out of tune. So this is me gonna try it. Did that get out of tune as it got louder? How about this?
Maybe a little bit flat.
A little flat?
Way flat.
Okay, so it's just listening to yourself and making sure that you don't sound like that. Okay, keep the pitch nice and full, lots of air.
The idea is when you get soft, you want to get as soft as you can and still make a sound on the horn. You don't want to withdraw your air completely because then the note will actually stop. And we don't want that. Let's give it a try again and just think about keeping that pitch smooth and even during the Sforzando. And then we're going to do some extra call and response. So anyone who wants to call, put your hand up.
I think we should just go in a circle today, Mr. Levin.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that okay with everyone? We're going to go in a circle.
That's all right.
So I can't see she because she's behind the sign, but would you be willing to be our first call and everyone else respond?
Just one call for each person.
Okay.
Stay on one note if you're not comfortable.
All right. I will point. Let's go from the top. 1, 2, 1. Just percussion and tuba. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sforzando sound much better. And congratulations to everyone for doing great calls that we could respond to.